Myth number 2, my dog has osteoarthritis, therefore I should not exercise him. That couldn't be further from the truth. The most important thing for the health of a joint is motion, is movement, weight bearing as well. The way that the cartilage cells, not that I want to get really deep into histology here, but the way that the cells that live inside that beautiful spongy cartilage, the way they get their nutrition and get rid of their metabolites is through motion in the joint. As that joint moves, it forces the fluid that bathes the cartilage into the cartilage. And as it does that, it brings with it those nutrients that the cells need, and when the fluid gets pulled out of the joint and gets pulled out of the cartilage and back into the joint, it pulls with it all the waste product from the cells. Therefore, for those cells to stay alive and healthy, the joint must move. Exercise is critical to the health of a joint. You've got to take exercise in the way it's meant to be, perhaps for that dog. So if the dog does have some poor fitting joints, some incongruence, maybe it doesn't want to go run marathons every day, but it needs to exercise. Therefore, if your dog has osteoarthritis, take it for a walk. That'll be the best thing for it. Krista, anything to add to that?
Yeah, exercise definitely is part of the mainstay. Keeping a healthy joint healthy, and keeping an osteoarthritic joint healthy. And by healthy, we mean let's reduce the clinical signs of stiffness and lameness. Yeah, absolutely. Exercise will get you there. We'll discuss that in more detail as we move along. And if the way you can think of it is motion is lotion, and an unhappy joint being held still is going to be even more unhappy. Yeah. So exercise is key.
And we talked about earlier support structures being important. So if you don't exercise, the muscles are going to wither anyways, but by exercising, the muscles become healthier and more robust, and we'll be able to offer more support to the joint and a little more stability. So exercise is key.